Going on YouTube, Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we do need to go over a few majorly important things in regards to the new discovery of a, fifth bull flag formation on XRP. We had kind of distributed this over a 5 and then a 6 bull flag formation, a 5th and then a 6 here. And now we're starting to change things up, and we realized instead of it being two small bull flags, it's actually one massive and one major bull flag formation forming on XRP, which is nuts. The size of this thing here is actually pretty phenomenal here as it starts to consolidate out, which means there's going to be a huge bull flag breakout to the upside coming very, very, very soon that you guys need to be paying close attention to. Beyond XRP, lots of other cryptos we have to look at. Ethereum, which is bouncing beautifully off its uptrend yet again, confirming the uptrend that is here. We also have to look at Bitcoin, which honestly looks like an inverted head and shoulders. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this. And then we also have to look at the S&P 500, which is heading even higher up. Very exciting. We are very close to hitting that all-time high, probably in another couple days, maybe even this week, which is very exciting here. But more importantly, you guys need to remember we are doing the BITFI, as you can see, t-shirt, keychain, and Amazon gift card giveaway completely free. Drawing is this Sunday, so if you want a chance to win this stuff for free, then click the link down in the description below. It is so easy to do. Literally, click the video that you're watching, or see the video that you're watching. Literally, crypto BITFI giveaway. Click this. You'll be brought to this page with multiple chances of entries here. You can see visiting my page gives you 3. Signing up for BITFI gives you 5. It is completely free to enter. So the fact that 2,600 people watched yesterday's episode and there's only 19 entries doesn't make any sense. Do you guys not like free money? I don't understand. So make sure to sign up, make sure to visit my page and subscribe, as that's what you need to do to win this giveaway completely free. It is that easy. Make sure to sign up ASAP. I'm just blown away. 19 entries? Like what? That means like 2 or 3 people signed up, maybe 4 or 5 at most, which is nuts. They're going to get a pretty big shot at winning if you guys don't enter the giveaway here. It's free money, so make sure to do that ASAP down in the description below. But moving forward from that, looking at these other cryptos here, what we're going to look at is pretty much covering these markets here. Are we going to be heading up? Are we going to be heading down? When's that going to be coming? So on and so forth. But with that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, yesterday we made a video, and it was basically continuing off the fact that we had discovered a 5th bull flag formation, a big one, originally on XRP. What we were dealing with here, and you can see we drew it in purple here, but what we were dealing with is we had originally thought there were smaller bull flag formations, and there definitely could have been one right here, and then we had another one right here. For the most part, it was very tiny, and we said, it's kind of weird the way these look. We didn't really break out of the bull flag. Maybe that is one short term, but it doesn't really add up. It's not aligning with the fact that, for the most part, XRP has had some pretty substantial breakouts to the upside with some pretty solid and big bull flag formations here. So to not see that now doesn't really make any sense to me. Well, as we started to make the markets move, and as the market started to consolidate even more, we started to notice that there was an uptrend that we started to retest multiple times. Originally, we only had 2 retests, and that wasn't enough to confirm a downtrend here. But honestly, just 2 days ago, or just yesterday or the day before, we really confirmed that Monday or Tuesday by bouncing off this resistance yet again and correcting back down to moving average. This, to me, solidified a very solid downtrend here, creating these lower high, lower lows. Lower highs and then lower lows here. And you can also see in yellow the downtrend that we drew, the bottom support right here. We also have kind of this here. It depends on how you want to look at it, whether symmetrical triangle. I think more so descending fractal here, or descending flag, bull flag, because that's pretty much what we've been seeing for the most part on XRP continuously here. So the fact is, we are seeing a monstrosity of a bull flag here. Here's the flag pole, and then here's the flag itself. As we fill this in, potentially getting closer to moving average, we are going to have to give, and we are going to see a massive and a solid break to the upside when the time comes, and the time is coming. So keep that in mind, that this breakout will happen, and it's going to be very big and very strong. So with that being said, what we need to wait for specifically is for the daily to break through the yellow resistance. Once we see that confirmed on the daily, that's the opportunity that we can buy into this and long it to the upside. It's that simple. Buy in, long to the upside, and we'll be able to capitalize off this run here, which is very exciting if you ask me. Now, obviously, we'll be taking advantage of this trade on BITFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Hence why, if you want to enter for the giveaway, to sign up for BITFI, as they did partner with me on the next couple weeks of giveaways here. So make sure to check it out down in the description below for the sign up. And then when you register to BITFI here, not only can you win free crypto, or sorry, not only can you win a free Amazon gift card and merchandise, but you can also enter for a chance to get, or it's not even a chance, you can earn up to $2,888 by completing rewards down in the description below. And my favorite part about the exchange, as you can see right here, the fact that BITFI has a demo account, which lets you play around with literally Monopoly money to test your skills. They give you $50,000 in Monopoly money. You test your skills, get familiar with the platform, and then when you're ready, you can start to trade real cryptocurrency here. But you can still buy long, short. You can do it all to XRP and get familiar with it. And then you can start trading on the real exchange here, which is awesome. And then you can capitalize and get in on us with this breakout right here. So that is very exciting. But moving forward, you can see these other cryptocurrencies are also continuing to consolidate. We had a beautiful ascending fractal here, broke bullish, formed a second resistance, and now we are filling this gap in two. And you can see we are going up to this price ceiling here, and that's what we're waiting for. Once this price ceiling is broken, that's when we can buy in and long to the upside, which is what we've all been patiently waiting for here on Ethereum. XRP, we're waiting for this to fill in the gap for us to buy in and long. And then for Ethereum, we're waiting for the price ceiling to be broken, and then for us to buy in and long as well. Also, then throw in the fact that there is some sort of uptrend here on Bitcoin, and we might even be seeing some sort of descending or ascending fractal here. I'm starting to notice this discovery. So whether you want to call it a inverted head and shoulders, which we can clearly define as drawn right here, there's also the opportunity of potentially an ascending fractal. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to remove this for right now. You can see that there's a new higher low forming here with a price ceiling as we fill this gap in two, which ends right around the January 7th here. Once we fill this in, a decision is also going to have to be made. Can we break through that ceiling, or is it going to inevitably dump to the downside back down to moving average where we can buy in and short it to the downside too? So lots of new technical indicators are forming across the board on all these major cryptocurrencies. It's really just now a waiting game for us to break through these major resistances. And then once those major resistances are broken, that's when we can take advantage and long to the upside or short to the downside. There's really no in between. It's finally allowing us to confirm that there is some sort of technical indicators forming here, and now it's just waiting for them to fill themselves in. Now, more so, moving on to the S&P 500, this is where things get a bit interesting. We're tracking a major resistance. Now, I don't know how exactly we want to look at it. It's very possible. We had drawn my price prediction. You can see hovered in blue. We maybe, if I'm right, this drop here could be my blue drop here. We have the run to the upside like this, which could be the run here. Now, maybe we're in for consolidation, as we've done here, which inevitably breaks through the price ceiling, and then we can long it to the upside here. Anyways, we've been extremely bullish on the S&P 500 literally since it bottomed back in October of 2022. Literally all November and December into 2023 has been bullish too. So we've been doing incredibly well. We've caught up to the moving average. It's just been an easy opportunity to buy in and long to the upside here. And now it's just a waiting game at this point as we retest and get very close to literally double topping. We're going to be double topping very soon, and we're going to have to continue to fill this out. So I'm excited to see where this ends up taking us. We could go higher, could go lower, so on and so forth here. It's just a waiting game at this point. But expect to see some sort of consolidation because we just can't keep lasting this high up. At some point we need to consolidate. So we need the S&P 500 to slow down a bit more before we head even higher. That's kind of my opinion. We need to slow down, lower ourselves on RSI, and then we can continue upwards from there. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Remember, we are doing the BITFI XRP. Remember, we are still doing the BITFI Crypto TV Amazon gift card giveaway. Like I said, you can find the link down in the description below. And then you can win all this stuff very simply by literally signing up to the Gleam page that I have created. Now, with all that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.